Hi everybody, I'm Saskia from shopsaskia.com, and I'm a jewelry designer who collects beads from all around the world and mixes the cultures together in my studio in Brooklyn. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about how I organize jewelry. If you take a look, it's a little messy, it's not exactly how I want it, and I'm starting to find myself struggling with, where's this one? I can't find this, and then I get frustrated in the morning. So I decided to clean up my area and show you how I do it. I also have a very handy husband who's going to show you some of the behind the scenes of how we do it. Here's a sneak peek at how I organize my jewelry on the top of my dresser. I have an area for rings. This is a mix of rings and earrings, and then I have this cool pot that I have used for years to organize my earrings. This basket was supposed to be for long pieces, but it's gotten out of hand. There's sunglasses, kids stuff, lotion. I need to find a different place to put some of this stuff. One of my favorite parts of my current organization are these hooks. I did this about a year ago and it really has helped, but because I have so many necklaces, they're too crowded and I can't find what I'm looking for. So what I decided to do was collect these cool hooks at different yard sales and thrift stores, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to organize the categories of the necklaces so that one hook has my delicates, another one has my long pieces, so that whenever I'm looking for something, I know where to find them. The solution for the earrings is that my husband made me this beautiful earring tree. He used an old frame and put screen inside. So what I'm going to do is hang this up here. I now have a lot more room for my earrings and I'll be able to find them. I think it will also encourage me to put them back when I'm done so that I can find them the next time. So now Scott is going to do his handy dandy work and then we'll show you how to finish it.
So I'm Scott, I'm Saskia's husband. I'm going to show you how to put some things onto the wall so that Saskia can do all of her organization. We're going to put up Saskia's jewelry display pieces. We're also going to put up the big screen that I made using some very simple techniques. This screen has a hanger, so what we're going to do for that is we're just going to use tiny little nails that we're going to put in the wall. We're going to measure everything out to make sure that it goes in the right place. We are definitely going to use a level so that things are level. Now, most of these walls are very thin, so you either need to go in and hit one of the joists that are going up and down, or you need to use one of these. Now, everybody, you can get these at Home Depot. They're super simple. These are just load-bearing counterweights. We can drill into the wall. If we hit a joist, that's great. If we don't, we use a bit that's the same size as the countersinker. We position them, we put it in, and then we're going to screw these into place. What we're doing right now is we're measuring the height. We're not caring how far it is away from the wall or centering it. Saskia said she wanted it about this high. I'm going to take a pencil, I'm going to mark the top. So we got the height, we're measured across from the wall, and we've determined that 32 inches is right at the center of this wall. So I'm going to mark right there, 32. What we have now is a level. We have an exact level, and we're going to put 2 marks on either side of this center point. That's going to be where we put in the 2 nails so that this whole thing doesn't twist, doesn't move. It's on 2 points of contact. And see, now we've got it on the wall. 2 points of contact, nice and level.
The key to any organizing is to put things in like piles. So I have my long jewelry here, I have my more medium length jewelry here, my delicates, my brass. Once I know how many I have of each item, I'll be able to best figure out which hook should go for what type, and then I'll always be able to find whatever I'm looking for. Ta-da! Look at this! Hooks for my brass, hooks for my medium-sized pieces, my bold pieces, and my long pieces. And then, my earrings have never been so organized. I can find them by color, I sorted them by metal, and it just means that getting ready in the morning is going to be a lot easier. I'm super excited. I hope that you're inspired by this, and perhaps you'll do the same. If you like what you saw, subscribe to my channel, and sign up for notifications so you know when I have a new video. Thanks, everybody.